Hi everybody, it's Martyn with Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm tying Polar Magnus, very effective Seatrout fly originating in Denmark. Well worth a place in your box if you're targeting sea run browns or any other salmon in the salt. Really. As always, there'll be materials list in the description along with a link to the Patreon page for anybody that wants to support the channel. That's always very appreciated. And some social media. So I've got my hook and my vise. This is just a size 6 B10S gamakatsu, but you can use basically whatever you like. Your preferred saltwater hook. You can use a longer shank model. I like having the wider gape in the size 6 of this rather than like a 10 long shank or something. But again, up to you. So it's actually quite a simple fly. I'm going to tie in some medium bead chain eyes. Make sure they're securely locked in place. And then I'm just going to come in with a wee touch of super glue on those wraps there. And then I'll take my thread to the back. Tail, I'm using a piece of Grizzly marabou. The original was Grizzly hackle tip, but this is better, it moves more. I think most people now tie them with Grizzly marabou. Just got to moisten it so I got a good idea of the length. And I'm going to have a hook length off the back. Just offer that in. Tie it down. And I'm going to secure this the length of the body. Right, I see a lot of people when they tie these small streamers and that, they trim stuff here and they leave a bump. I hate that. It makes an uneven body and you're not really saving any bulk or anything. Like you can see that's tied in really narrowly. If you want to, you can add a couple of bits of flash. I don't, but if you like it, you can add a couple, like 2 strands of crystal flash. I wouldn't go much more than that. Two would be plenty. I'm going to get my rib here, which is just some light monofilament. I'll just take my thread to the front. I'm going to fold the mono over the thread. And I'm just going to wrap it back, making sure the tag end is well secured. And that the waist piece is shorter than the body. Just got to use like a pearly angel dubb for the body. You could use ice dubb, Spectra Flash, Glister, whatever you like really. This is just Sabai angel hair dubbing that I'm using. but up to you. And now don't be shy with your dubbing here. It's going to be brushed, so make sure you've got enough on. I don't mind if it looks like it's a wee bit too much initially, because it thins out when you brush it into the hackle and that. Build up a nice body, but be sure to leave yourself a wee bit of space in behind the eyes. Right, I've got just 2 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, right, because I'm going to tie 2 hackles in at this point. Now, to help really lock these eyes so they don't twist, now that the thread's been up and down the shank and stuff's been tied in, we've got to come back through them again, and that really fixes them, because you're anchoring onto something that's much more secure. Body hackle is Grizzly. I'm going to take quite a long hackle. You'd maybe say it's sort of oversized. If you look, the fibres there are coming, I don't know how well you can see it, but the fibres coming into about 1.5, 2 gap widths, which is nice. It gives you plenty of movement and makes sure that Grizzly colour's in amongst there. So I'm going to just offer the feather good side towards myself, trim away my waist, and then a full turn at the front, and then say 1 forward in the body, something like that. Bring my rib around, catch that in, and come up quickly. And because it's an island rib, I take 2 turns in front, go over it with my thread and catch it, and I'll fold that back. And that way it's never going to pull out. Snap away my hackle stem. The magenta, similar length or possibly even a bit longer. And I'm just going to tie it in exactly the same way, the good side facing myself, and offering it on my side, and allowing that tag waist end to go underneath. Snip it away. Now, it's up to yourself how much pink you put on it. Some people like it to be quite a lot, other people like it a bit sparser. What I call that okay there. Just folded that tip back and took 2 or 3 wraps across the top of it, and that way the hackle's secured in place, will never come out. So anything going forward, I'm going to sweep it back, Just throw a wee half hitch at this stage. I'm going to brush it. And pull that dubbing into the body. So the fly's basically done here. A lot of people just let it finish off and tie it, but I don't like this bit. I always take a wee pinch of Hare-e ice dubbing, just in natural hare's ear. You don't need a huge amount, make quite a tight dubbing rope. And just figure eight it around the eyes. And then anything going forward, you just sweep it back, build a small, neat head. And then you can come in, let finish, and another. Come away your waist, and the fly is done. Just finish it off with a wee bit of varnish. We've got 2 coats, just to secure that and make it a bit durable. And there you go, that's it, the Polar Magnus. Very simple, nice fly, well worth having in your Seatrout box. So I hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. If it was, please remember to subscribe to my channel, share the video, give me a thumbs up below. Tight lines guys, bye.